In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter on LinkedIn. Now, I've already got a newsletter on my personal profile, but I can show you on my company page, and the process is exactly the same. So what you do is you click on write an article, and then you'll see up here it's got manage. If you click on that menu, there you can see create a newsletter. You can then create a newsletter. I would highly recommend that you create the newsletter from your profile. So in other words, here from your newsfeed. And the reason for that is the moment you create your newsletter on LinkedIn, LinkedIn sends a message to all your connections informing them that you have just created a newsletter on LinkedIn. That means you automatically start getting subscribers to your newsletter. Now, before you start your newsletter, there are three very important things you need to decide. And the first one is, what are you going to be displaying as your logo? Is it your company name? Is it your photograph? What are you calling your newsletter? And what is going to be your tagline that tells the people what this newsletter is about? The reason that is important is once you have created it, you don't want to change any of that. You can, however, if you do, just keep in mind you could confuse your subscribers and you could lose subscribers because you are changing the name or the purpose for this newsletter. So think very carefully what your newsletter is going to be. Choose a title that allows you to put literally anything in there related to your business, your products, or your services. Then create it on LinkedIn, and you will see within hours you will start having subscribers because LinkedIn has informed your entire list of connections. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this feed and in the list, as there are more videos on other functionality on LinkedIn.